Hi, this is Suzanne from Well and Oily Life, and I am going to walk you through how to purchase a Savvy Minerals Premium Starter Kit from Young Living. Let's get started. When you purchase a Savvy Minerals Premium Starter Kit, you also become a Young Living wholesale member, so you can purchase any Young Living product at wholesale. When you buy your makeup from Amazon, you get a wholesale price? I don't think so. Click the Buy button at the bottom of this page. This link will take you to the Young Living Order Kit and Membership page. Click now. The Membership page is already pre-populated with the member choice and Well and Oily Life's Young Living distributor number, which is 12951-710. When you see this page, click Continue. Select the Other Premiums Kit tab at the top and choose your Savvy Minerals Premium Starter Kit by foundation color. Then go to Step 2. Step 2 is optional only. You can sign up for Young Living's Essential Rewards program at a later time. Let's try the Premium Starter Kit first. Scroll down to Step 3 and click Continue. You will see this message to the right. Click Continue Enrollment. Your final step is to fill out your contact, sign-on, and billing information. And items to note, you don't have to submit your Social Security number. That's only if you were to build your business. And if you choose to in a later time, you can fill it out then. Click Agree and Continue. Congratulations, you ordered a Savvy Minerals Premium Starter Kit, and you have become a wholesale member for Young Living. Thank you again.